What's he doing to you, Willow?
Psych! Kind of what?
Let him wear his sweater. It's cold. He needs his sweater on. Oh, Puggy.
Roscoe, are you in trouble? I think you're in trouble.
Sit. Sit. Jeez.
No.
Watch what Cooper does. We turn the windshield wipers on. He's like, what the world? And Cooper's been with us since...
Zor, zor, azgın yangınlarda.
Stop it!
Keep driving, Cal. Keep...
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
Dobij ich stronie, to Zofii.
Oh my God, do it again. Sao mẹ?
Look at him. He's like stuck.
Oh, there you go.
This.
Yeah, that's how you know you broke horse right there.
Yeah, that's when you know.
Oh my gosh. You're gonna ruin the blinds. Meow.
Bro, you good? You good?
What, you're done with my kisses now?
Love you, puppy.
You're up for the bum. Oh, that's it.
Jumped in. Why do I just jump in?
Oh, you silly dog. No!
What are you doing? Get down. I can't pick your big. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
He's trying to get a food.
He's trying to get your food.
No, go put it away. No, no. No. No.
Don't worry, it's coming. It's coming.
I think someone wants to go for a walk.
And why is the carpet all wet, Todd?
I don't know, Margot.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Come on! Come to Mimi's house! Come on! Oh, that's a good boy! Come on! Oh, silly boy. You're a climber.
I feel like that wasn't my best friend that night. It was the devil.
Perrito me roba el globo de mi hijo en la plaza de Quillota.
Me atacó para robarme el globo.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You're given about, he's probably 4'8".
Logan, sit. Wipe your butt. I just pulled next to this guy. Look at him. Hi. Hi. Are you driving today?
I think I like this little life.